Hello students, welcome to the science class of 4th standard of chapter Push and Pull. I hope you have read and revised the topic Push, Pull, Force and its effects. Today I am going to start my topic from types of forces. So kindly open your book at page 107. Types of forces. Students, forces are of two types, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force is a force in which two objects are in physical contact with each other, and muscular force and frictional force are contact forces. Now, what are non-contact force? Non-contact force is a force in which two objects are not in contact with each other. Gravitational force and magnetic force are non-contact forces. Students, there are different types of forces in nature like muscular force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force, etc. Let's discuss about muscular force and gravitational force in detail. Muscular force. Muscular force is a force in which muscles are used. So, the definition of muscular force is force applied by our muscles is called muscular force. Students, to do various kinds of activities in our daily life, we apply the force in which muscles are used. Some common examples are person riding a bicycle, apply muscular force to move the cycle. Also, to stop a moving bicycle, a person has to apply muscular force. Another example of muscular force are to move a bullock cart, playing football, carrying bags on the shoulder, etc. Now next is gravitational force. Students, have you ever noticed that whenever you throw a ball or any object upwards, it falls down on the ground? This is due to the gravity. Now what is gravity? Gravity is the force by which Earth pulls each object towards itself. Students, the Earth or every heavenly body attract the objects towards itself that are in their influence. Underline word influence and write down its meaning, the power to affect. The force by which the earth attracts the objects towards itself is called gravitational force or gravity of the earth. So the definition of gravitational force is the force of attraction between any two objects. Examples of gravitational force are apple falling from a tree, moon orbiting around the earth, etc. So, the force of gravity pulls all objects towards the earth and it is always attractive in nature. Students, each object have mass and exerts a gravitational force on other object, but the gravitational force can be felt only if one object has very large mass as compared to other. To understand it, let's take an example. The apple falls from the tree towards the earth due to gravitational force. Here, the gravitational force exerted by the earth on an apple can be felt because of the very large mass of earth in comparison to the mass of apple. But in case of two apples, the force between the two apples cannot be felt because of their same mass or very negligible difference in mass. Similarly, a child standing in a park also exerts a gravitational force on the other child, but due to the same mass of both the children, the gravitational force is not very strong and cannot be felt. One more example of gravitational force is solar system. Sun holds all the planets around itself due to its very large mass, which exert the gravitational force on the planets. Now students, here the question arises, why is gravity important? So students, due to gravity, we are able to walk on the ground. Without Earth's gravity, we would fly right off it. And if we kick a ball, it would fly off forever. As in the case of space, we are able to fly because there is no gravity in the space. Gravity is also important because the gravity of Earth is strong enough to hold the atmosphere close to the surface, and without atmosphere, our Earth would be a lifeless planet. Also, Sun's gravity keeps the Earth in the orbit around the Sun. Students, life on the Earth is impossible without Sun's warmth and energy. Gravity helps the Earth to stay just the right distance from the Sun. That is why it is not too cold or too hot. The tides in the oceans are also caused due to gravity of Moon. Now what are tides? Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of the gravitational force exerted by the Moon and the Sun. So students, today we have discussed about muscular force and gravitational force in detail. You read and revise this topic again and also revise related cross questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.